I'm Heman and I'm back with another video. And are you wondering what is this big box from Amazon? Okay, it's none other than the famous 5-book series. I'm very interested to open this. I'm waiting for this for probably 2-3 months. Okay, let's open this. Okay. There is it. Yes, I'm opening it. All's well, but unfortunately I cutted the bill. Okay. Full plastic. I expected cardboard, but it's not a problem. Okay. These are the 21 books cover pages. This is the font, which is so nice. Expected it might come without any top cover. All's well. Bottom. Okay, let's open this. Wow, it's very nice. Okay, let me open these books one by one. There's a small problem, but I can fix it. Okay. The first book. Oh, it's very short. You can see it is in the size of Tuesdays with Maury. I thought it's the shortest book. The first book, 5 on the Treasure Island. The second book, 5 Go Adventure Again. The third book, 5 Run Away Together. The fourth book, 5 Go to Strangers Stop. Smuggler's Stop, sorry, not Strangers, Smuggler's Stop. The fifth book, 5 Go Off in a Caravan. The sixth book, 5 on Kirin Island Again. The seventh book, 5 Go Off to Camp. The eighth book, 5 Get Into Trouble. And the ninth book is 5 Fall Into Adventure. Okay. The 10th, 5 On a Hike Together. Oh, there are many books, 21 totally. 11th book, 5 Have a Wonderful Time. The 12th book, 5 Go Down to the Sea. The 13th book, 5 Go to the Mystery Moor. The 14th book, 5 Have Plenty of Fun. Students, I first heard this in my school library. In the walls it was printed famous 5, so I searched and I found that it was a book set. And I ordered it. Well friends, if you like this video, like, share, comment and subscribe to Heman Acts. Bye friends, I'll be back with another video.